Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how can we do XSS in request headers. So we can do XSS by giving the arbitrary JavaScript payload into the request headers. And if the application interpreted and executes it, then the application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting attack. You can choose any request header. For example, we are going to choose a header that is referrer. No sanitization or decisions, and taking decisions is very dangerous for the application. As you can see, there is a header on this website when we performed a curl request. The header is X thanks for this awesome bug bounty course. You can also try a XSS payload there. So practical time, and let's see this in action. Yes. So as you can see, I went to a website which is media.net. I will just quickly capture this request into my Burp suite. As you can see, I have captured the request in Burp suite. I will send this request to repeater. After sending this into the repeater tab, I'm going to hit go and I'm going to check the response. As you can see in the request, I'm going to change the request method from get to post. And now I'm going to add a new header that is referrer header. And in the referrer header, I'm going to type https google.com, and I just want to check that this Google gets reflected into the response or not with a question mark. Yes, so this header is getting reflected into the response. So let me give a parameter equals to value like q parameter and the value Hactify, and let's verify, does this get reflected? Perfect, this is getting reflected into the response also. As you can notice, this is a hidden response. Now I can see that this gets ended by double quote / closing bracket. So I'm going to balance my payload like this, and I'm going to put a payload. So a double quote slash, and I'm going to give my payload as script alert 1 script tag close. I will just hit go and check if this is getting reflected or not. As you can see, we have successfully balanced this, and this is getting reflected into the response. Let me just right click, show response in browser, and let me go to the browser. Before putting this, let me open up a new tab, yes, and paste it, and you can see I'm able to get a XSS through the request headers. I hope you guys understood how I was able to do a XSS by using a header which was referrer. Thank you.